Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? Setting up camp. We're down here on Pines this weekend. Right here at Alley Creek. I'm finna set the tent up, and I'll be back when I get the tent set up. Waiting on Rob. He said he's about 2 hours out. Think fast Eddie said he finna drive by here, so I have some company till he gets here anyway. Alright, we'll be back here in a little bit. Brand new tent from the last trip. I went and got one a little bit bigger. We gotta get this one set up. And bam, just like that, it's up. Took all about 36 seconds from the time it hit the ground to it popped up. You can get them at Walmart, they're easy pops. It takes 30 seconds. I didn't put the rain fly on, it ain't supposed to rain. I want to stay cool. Y'all stay cool too. What you got going on there, Rob?
I'm gonna make some jalapeno poppers.
Show me what you finna make. Come on now.
It's about the size of a...
Yeah. It's a big one. We got Eddie down here in camp for a little while tonight.
Well, you ain't sharing the tent?
I don't share tents.
No.
We all know that's a damn lie.
Not when I lived just a couple miles up the road.
Eddie said he had a bed like 5 miles from here. Alright, we might bring some cooking in tonight. I just wanted y'all to see what Rob finna try to cook.
Try?
Try. That's what I said.
I'm gonna show you what I'm...
Okay, if I go missing, it's because me and Rob starved to death. We could only get one steak. And we didn't have anything else to eat. I mean, well, not much else.
I'm gonna die out here.
Alright. The first morning, Robson had his coffee or getting his coffee. I don't have my Diet Mountain Dew. The lake's already looking rough. I know y'all can't tell it in the video. It's a little choppy already. Think we're finna go do breakfast and come back and talk about fishing probably. I don't know. Rob all night, I mean all night. You couldn't, there's no sleeping, dude, none. He snored so fucking loud, oh my God. And look how close our tents had to be. This is our only option.
10 minutes left. You go piss, I almost jumped in your tent.
Alright, battery died. I don't know what in the hell that was about. Had to hook up the extra battery power. Rob says his nipples are hard. I better watch it. It might be one of them kind of videos now. This wind is gonna suck, Rob.
I think I'm gonna spend the day right here where I'm at.
We might do just a camping vlog.
And just talking about fishing.
What y'all think about it? Yeah, we might do like our first podcast today.
Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna get a bobber and some worms.
Yeah, buy some chicken liver or something. Cast it out there where we can watch them from here.
I just don't know what could be on the kayak today because I didn't get much sleep last night. About a good 10 minutes sleep.
Oh my God. Are y'all hearing this?
I woke up at 2 in the morning thinking we're helicopters surrounding us. I got panicking to check out what's going on, and this dude snoring.
He said I snored last night. No,
unbelievable.
Everybody knows me, and they know that's a lie.
Yeah, okay.
I don't snore.
Yeah.
I just be.
And I don't eat.
I just sleep loud. It's not really snoring, it's just loud sleeping.
Coffee is hot.
Coffee is hot. He just boiled the water, I mean like 5 minutes ago. Ooh. He said the coffee is hot. Imagine that. And then he puts it in a cup that's gonna keep it hot. It says, the coffee's hot. All right, y'all. We'll be back here in a little bit when we figure out what the hell we're gonna do.
Trading me fair for
Me and Rob, we kind of dragging ass today. We finna go to the cafe, get us something to eat. What are you gonna get? Everything on the menu twice?
Just about.
Just
Gonna hit that
about.
breakfast menu up.
Hell yeah.
What's supposed to go that way, wasn't it?
You can go whichever way you want to. There's circles out. Yeah. We don't even know if we're gonna fish today. We're thinking about catfishing from the bank. So Rob, how many fish you catch today?
All of them. From right here, because I haven't moved from this seat all day. Literally all day. Except for breakfast.
This turned into a camping vlog instead of a fishing vlog. We have both been extremely lazy today. And we're finna top it off with crawfish here in about 15 or 20 minutes. I'm gonna bring the camera along. I don't know if they'll let us film, but I'm gonna bring,
Man, what do we want?
I'm gonna bring the camera along. I might even have a beer, even though I know I'm not supposed to. All right, lifers. I had big plans today. Really, really big plans. We were gonna fish. That didn't happen. Wind's been blowing up until right now about 16 miles an hour all day. Okay, so we were gonna make it up for it and go get us some crawfish. Rob, tell them about the crawfish.
So we roll up for these crawfish, and first thing he says is, we're all out of crawfish.
So,
The crawfish truck.
at the crawfish truck. So, we eating shrimp right now. And mollies. Hot.
Even better.
And the guy was trying to tell us about his hot green sauce. We got to see.
And these white shrimp.
And these white shrimp.
So I've never seen a brown shrimp. Well, I mean, I have.
But it was bad.
That's not what I meant.
Seriously? He said this was hot.
I got some hot sauce in the truck.
It's good. He's got good flavor to it, but it ain't no about no means hard. Need a fucking fork.
Not at all.
Hell no, blast it. Alright, lifers, I forgot to roll an outro to the video. Me and Rob had a hell of a time. Didn't fish much. What little we did from the bank. We just really enjoyed ourselves, relaxed, and I'm ready to go again. I enjoyed it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Something different, not just fishing. I know a bunch of people get tired of the fishing videos. We do something a little bit different. If y'all enjoy it, you know, big thumbs up, share it. Tell me in the comments you liked it. I need to do more of it. Because I enjoy camping. Could go every day. It's my thing besides fishing and hunting and trapping. Alright, you made it this far in the video. Like, share, subscribe, and we gone.
Hey guys, quick update. So it's like 2:30 in the morning. I'm out here in the tent. And I keep thinking there's a damn helicopter circling the campsite. So I get out of the tent to go and kind of scout it out. Ain't no helicopter. That's Big John over there snoring all night. Sound like a damn helicopter. So it's been a rough night. We're gonna try to get some sleep though.